How to buy and sell Cardano NFTs easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can buy and sell Cardano network NFTs and what is the benefit or purpose of these NFTs. So let's get into it. Now, a lot of people often think of NFTs and they think of OpenSea and Ethereum based NFTs. However, Ethereum-based NFTs have become so overpriced. There is so much saturation in the market, and it is so difficult to find a NFT that is going to actually help you earn money because all of the trending projects or all of the popular NFTs are already super expensive, and it's difficult to get started as a creator on a Ethereum network because there are so many other established creators creating NFTs over there. So for that purpose, going on the Cardano platform and making or buying or selling NFTs on the Cardano NFT platform is going to be a lot more helpful or a lot more profitable for people that are just looking to, get more money and establish themselves as an artist. And this is just going to help you so much more. Now you can see over here, Cardano-based NFTs are doing pretty well. There are so many NFTs on the Cardano network as well, and the platform that we are using to buy and sell Cardano-based NFTs is called cnft.io. So it's cnft.io, and this platform primarily functions as the marketplace for Cardano-based NFTs. It is the leading platform for Cardano-based NFTs. It has popular collections. It has the recently launched collections. There are so many people that are switching from Ethereum to this network simply because they want to be able to create their own collections that people are going to see, where there is not going to be that much saturation, and there are lower gas fees. So that is another amazing benefit, is that because of the lower saturation, you will be able to mint your NFTs for a lower price, you will be able to market them better, and you will be able to find valuable projects and resell them for higher prices because not a lot of people have their eyes on the Cardano based NFTs, and that means you can probably easily find NFTs that are undervalued, and then you can market them slightly better and then get them to a better price and make profit. So to get started, you have to link your Cardano based wallet. So for this, you need a Cardano based wallet. You can't just use MetaMask. You will have to opt for a Cardano wallet such as the Nami Wallet, or there are some other options like Eternal, Flint Wallet, Gera Wallet, or Typhoon Wallet. However, Nami is the most popular Cardano based wallet. So just go on to namiwallet.io and click on Chrome over here, or whatever browser you are using. And then you're just going to click on Add to Chrome. You're going to click on Add Extension, and you're going to add the Nami Wallet extension. So once the extension has been added, we're just going to pin it to the top like so. And now you can see the extension has been added over here. Now what you're going to do is create your Nami wallet. So this is the wallet that you're going to use to hold your Cardano and mint or create or sell or purchase NFTs on the CNFT platform. So if you have a pre-existing wallet, just click on import. If you don't, just click on new wallet, accept the terms, and then you will get your seed phrase. So your seed phrase is a long phrase that you need to save, and you need to make sure that you have this written down or saved somewhere, because this is going to be the phrase that is going to secure all of your NFT tokens or all of your Cardano ADA tokens. So this is very essential. Once you have done that, you're just going to verify, and after that you're just going to enter your account name as you would create a password and username on any platform. You're just going to do that, and now our wallet has been created. So if I head on over to my wallet, you can see over here on the top right of my Chrome bar, I have my wallet extension. Now you can see I have the amount in my wallet. I have the conversion as well, so you'll get an estimate of how much it's valued in USD. Then you can receive your tokens into your Cardano wallet. So let's say you were holding your ADA in Binance or any other marketplace. So all you have to do to transfer it into your Nami token is just go into your wallet and go on ahead and click on withdraw. And once you click on withdraw, you're just going to select that. And then you can choose to withdraw it directly into your wallet. So for that, you just need to put in your withdrawal information. So for that, just click on receive. So what you're just going to do is you're going to click on receive and you're going to copy and paste this wallet address into your address section over here. And once you have done that, you will be able to get your money into your Nami wallet or your crypto ADA or your Cardano ADA into your Nami wallet. Now, once you have it in your Nami wallet, you're going to go into cnft.io, click on link wallet and link your Nami wallet. So we're just going to refresh cnft.io and click on link wallet and link our Nami wallet. So once you link your Nami wallet, you're just going to click on access over here. And once you click on access, your Nami wallet will be linked to your CNFT account. So we're just waiting for our link to be completed. And now once you do that, they will ask you for your password. So you're just going to enter your password to confirm linking your Nami wallet to cnft.io. Now, once you have done that, you can see on cnft.io on the top right over here, I have the ADA and the NFTs that I have in my Nami wallet. I can see the total income, the total spent, and my inventory. And now I can simply go into explore. And I can choose any of the NFTs that I like. So I like this one. You're just going to click on buy now. And you can set a collateral in your Nami wallet. And that is something that you usually must do. So you can just enter however much you want in as a collateral in your Nami wallet. And you're just going to click on buy now and purchase that NFT that you want. And you can even go on ahead and go into your My Project section, click on your own project and upload your own NFTs and start selling Cardano-based NFTs on the cnft.io platform. So all you really need is a basic Nami wallet to get started. Now you can mint your CNFTs or Cardano-based NFTs using nftmaker.io. This is a platform that is used to mint and create your NFTs, and you can do that on the CNFT platform as well. But a lot of people like to do it on NFT Maker for just lower fees and a better experience. Now, so that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.